Welcome back to Snow Dogs Cooking, you guys, where if I can cook it, so can you. What are we doing today? We're making tomato soup, because every time I've ever made tomato soup in a vlog, you guys have asked me what my tomato soup recipe is, and today is the day we're going to share it. If you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that bell to turn on all the notifications, because next week we're gonna make grilled cheese to go with this amazing tomato soup. Let's jump into this. And of course, as always, we have our little kitchen helpers. Wait a minute, there's only one of you. Where's the other one? You coming in here to help out in the kitchen? We're gonna make tomato soup. Not really a whole lot of this that you guys are gonna get to snack on, but I appreciate the moral support. So here are all the ingredients we need to make this tomato soup. The first thing you're gonna need, is a can of Campbell's tomato soup. Now, as I said earlier, this is super easy tomato soup. Yes, start with a can of Campbell's tomato soup. Don't knock it till you've tried it. I mean, we could go and we could mash tomatoes and do all that, but we don't have time for that. We're gonna use Campbell's tomato soup. So again, 1 can of Campbell's tomato soup, 1 can of tomato sauce. You can also use crushed tomatoes, but run them through a strainer. This just makes things a little bit easier. You are going to need about a half a cup of milk, half a tablespoon of butter, a half a cup of water, some salt and pepper, and some garlic powder. And if you choose so, you could also add onion powder. I don't, because I'm not a big fan of onions. So these are all the ingredients. Let's put them all together. First, put in your can of Campbell's tomato soup. Get a spoon and spatula, make sure you scoop all that out of that can. Next, we will be adding the tomato sauce. Pour in your milk, pour in the water, and now we gotta get to that whiskey business and whisk this all together. So that's about how it's gonna look when it's all whisked together. Now you can add the butter. Whoop, it just went right in there. Add a little bit of pepper. I don't like to add a lot while I'm cooking it, because I can always add more later. A little bit of salt. I did use no salt sauce, so I'm gonna add a little bit of extra salt. And then the garlic powder. How much? To taste. Sprinkle it in. That's about how much I use. And then stir all that together. So once we have this all stirred together, we're gonna turn on the heat. Put it on like a medium heat. You don't wanna burn it because it does have milk in it, so I'm gonna put it at a 4. And we'll do 4.5. And we're gonna let it come to temperature, and then we're gonna lower it to a simmer. I tried to tell you there wasn't really much in this that you can have, but I got you a treat. A treat for you, and a treat for you. See? It's fun cooking in the kitchen. Kira's like, I'm taking my treat this way, guys. See you later. This tomato soup is now piping hot. There's one more ingredient I didn't tell you about in the beginning. It's the special ingredient that perfects it. I know it sounds really weird, but add a little sprinkle of sugar. Literally just a little sprinkle. It takes out some of the acidity and some of the bitterness that can be in tomatoes sometimes, and it makes it taste amazing. So there is our super easy finished tomato soup, which pairs wonderfully with grilled cheese. Or if you really want a treat, boil some noodles and throw them in there. Trust me, you'll love it. All right, now you've had this many, many, many times before.
So it's gonna be the same as your normal one.
It's not anything weird. I made it just like I always do because people have wanted this recipe for forever.
Say, I like your tomato soup.
I know.
The tomato soup I always made as a kid was different than that.
Yeah. Do you want tomato soup too? Good Lord.
No, you cannot have none. Yeah, it tastes like your tomato soup.
Paired with grilled cheese, it's the best, right?
Yeah, I think it definitely needs the grilled cheese.
Or grilled ham and cheese.
That'd be good too.
One
of each.
One of each, there you go. Memphis is over here like, I want some tomato soup, please. Look at that! It's magically paired with grilled cheese.
Look at that.
If you want to see the grilled cheese video, though, you gotta come watch next week. Good combination? Alright. So there you have it, my friends. Finally, homemade tomato soup. Let us know down in the comments if you're going to make this, and if you do, please be sure to tag us on our social media accounts. We hope you enjoyed today's video. As always, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Stay positive, dream big. We will see you again soon. And remember, grilled cheese, not just any grilled cheese, it's special, coming next week. Goodbye, guys.